Hello, I'm Avid. This is Online Income Network. In today's video, I want to talk about the status of this YouTube channel and where it's going to be going from here on out. Now, the biggest thing I'm going to be doing is a change to the YouTube name. Right now, it's Online Income Network, but I don't really talk about ways to make money online as much anymore. I mainly focus on tips on YouTube tutorials, how you can grow on YouTube and things of that nature. So it's only right that I change my name from Online Income Network to something else, either something that is like YouTube tips or something, or I might just change it to my name, which is Avery Harris. You can find that change happening in about a month or maybe two. Not 100% sure, but 9 times out of 10, it's probably just gonna be my name. Don't unsubscribe, please. If you already subscribed, which is pretty much the reason why I'm making this this video here, so people can know that up front and not just be like, who the heck is this guy? When did I subscribe to this person, right? So yeah. Also, with that being said, that YouTube is now my core, the core of my channel. I'm going to keep doing the same thing I was doing before, which is mainly do YouTube videos. Of course, I was still doing a video here and there every once in a while that talked about how to make money online or something else. And, I might still do that every now and then, but I'm going to try to do it in a sense where it will always still be connected to YouTube. Like, yeah, I'm doing a video on how you can get affiliate links, but I'm showing how you can get those affiliate links and put them on your YouTube videos, or how you can start doing Patreon for YouTube, things of that nature. Might start doing some videos on equipment, like this light ring I got for lighting. More than likely, I'm going to, I say more than likely, it's not a more than likely, I'm going to be doing a video fairly soon about this light ring. Let me give it a little more time to get used to it and give my thoughts on it. But as of right now, I do like it, so I would, recommend it for right now. But look out for the review coming fairly soon. The last thing I want to say is I will be making some videos that are strictly for beginners. So if you see some videos up of like how to make a YouTube video or how to make a YouTube account, I know most of you that are subscribed right now, y'all are not going to care about that, but I'm gonna need that so I can bring in some, some more beginners, some people that really want to get into YouTube that aren't in YouTube yet, right? So yeah, but I mean, all the same, if you feel like you want to watch it, feel free, But at any rate, that's all I wanted to talk about. Hopefully this change will help grow this channel. I got a lot of growth within the last 11 months. I went from under 1,000 to pretty much, I'm about to be at 10,000 in under a year. And it took me like 7 years to get to that point. So with that being said, I'm excited about this YouTube channel, where it's going, how it's been progressing, and hopefully you'll still be there to enjoy the journey with me. And yeah, that's it. So hopefully you found information useful. I ain't really saying that, but give an update, but hopefully you found this update useful. If you did, why don't you go ahead, like, subscribe, share with a friend, click bell notifications so you get notified new videos come out from me. Currently making new videos every week. So thanks for watching.